Hello and welcome to new session, that is antifungal drugs, and presented by myself Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gaudi, lecturer in Kekewag Institute of Pharmacy, Sandori. Fungi can be single cell or very complex multicellular organism. Fungi lacks chlorophylls, leaves, true stem and roots, and reproduce by spores and lives at sparrowtropes, saprostropes and or parasites. The group includes mold, rust, yeast and mushrooms. And disease caused by any fungus is called mycosis. What is antifungal agent? These are the drugs which are used in the treatment of variety of fungal infection like Candida, Epidermophyton, Microsporum and Trichophytons. Classification of antifungal agent. These are classified into synthetic compounds. First, carboxylic acid and their metabolic salt. For example, undeclene acid, or it is also called undeclenoic acid, and zinc undeclonate. Dyes, for example, gentian violet, which is also called crystal violet, and malachite green. Phenolic compound, for example, salicylic acid. Next, diamidines, for example, stilbene. Fourth class is thiocarbonylic acid derivative, and the example are tolnaftate. And last class is azole, for example, miconazole, clotrimazole. Next, natural products. First, antibiotic, that is divided into antibacterial antibiotic, for example, griseofulvin, and second, polyiene antifungal antibiotics, that is also divided into tetraienes, for example, nystatin, amphotericin A, pentaienes, for example, pentamycin, and heptines, for example, amphotericin B and hemicin. Now we see first drug, that is undeclenic acid, or it is also called undeclenoic acid. It is consists of undectenoic acid. This is the structure of undeclenoic acid. Physical property: it is colorless or pale brownish clear liquid or yellowish white crystalline mass. It has characteristic odor, and it is practically insoluble in water but miscible in alcohol and chloroform. Chemical properties: it decolorizes aqueous solution of potassium permanganate, indicating presence of double bond in the compounds. It is neutralized by sodium, giving sodium undeclonate. Storage and stability condition: it is affected by light and air, so it is stored in tightly closed, light resistant container at a temperature between 8 to 15 degrees Celsius. Uses: it is used as topical antifungal agent and is used to treat various forms of ringworms. In combination with griseofulvin, it is used to treat systemic infection. Pharmaceutical formulation: compound undeclenoic acid ointment and zinc undeclonate powder. Brand names Mycota and Tiniafex. Next drug is tolnaftate. It is an ester of beta-naphthol. Physical property: it is white to creamy white colored powder, odorless, and has slight odor, and it is practically insoluble in water, very slightly soluble in alcohol, but freely soluble in chloroform. Storage and stability condition: it is affected by light and air, so it should be stored in tightly closed container at a temperature between 8 to 15 degrees Celsius. Uses: it is used as topical fungicidal. Second use: internally it is used to treat psoriasis and neurodermitis. Pharmaceutical formulation: It is available in tolnaftate topical solution, tolnaftate powder, tolnaftate topical aerosol, tolnaftate cream, tolnaftate gel. Brand name are Tinacidal, Multiderm and Myocin. Next drug is Nystatin. It is an antifungal substance produced by growth of certain species of Streptomyces muricinae. It is a polyene microlides antibiotic containing conjugated tetraines and dienes. Physical property: it is yellowish to light brown colored powder with a cereal-like odor. It is very slightly soluble in water and alcohol, and it is hygroscopic. Storage and stability condition: it is hygroscopic and affected by room temperature, light and air. Therefore, it should be stored in tightly closed container at a temperature not exceeding 5 degrees Celsius. Uses: it has wide range of activity against fungi and yeast. It is used in the treatment of candida, local infection of mucous membrane, skin and nails. Pessaries are used in the treatment of vaginal candidiasis, and it is also used in the treatment of GIT candidiasis. Pharmaceutical formulation: it is available in Nystatin tablet, Nystatin oral suspension, Nystatin cream, Nystatin eye drop, Nystatin lotion, Nystatin ointment, Nystatin pessaries, Nystatin vaginal tablet, Nystatin topical powder, and Nystatin and triamcinolone ointment. And brand names are Nyastan, Nyastaformin, and Nyastadermal. Next drug is Amphotericin B. Amphotericin, it is a mixture of antifungal polyenes produced by growth of certain strains of Streptomyces nodosus. It is related to two structurally related polyenes. Amphotericin A is a conjugated tetraines and Amphotericin B is conjugated heptanes. Amphotericin B is less water soluble, less stable, but more active than Amphotericin A. Physical property: it is yellow to orange colored powder with a faint odor, and it is tasteless. It is practically insoluble in water and amphoteric in nature. It is light sensitive. In dilute solution, it is inactivated at low pH. Chemical property: when it is treated with phosphoric acid solution, a deep blue color is produced. Stability and storage condition: it is light sensitive, so it should be stored in tightly closed light resistant container at a temperature between 2 to 10 degrees Celsius. Uses: it is used as broad spectrum antifungal agent and used to treat severe mycotic infection. Next use: it is used in the treatment of candidiasis, cutaneous leishmaniasis, primary amoebic meningoencephalitis, and cryptococcal meningitis. And last use: it is used for suppression of oral or intestinal candidiasis. Pharmaceutical formulation: it is available in Amphotericin B cream, Amphotericin B lotion, Amphotericin lozenges, Amphotericin B ointment, Amphotericin B injection, and Amphotericin mixture. And the brand names are Fungizones and Fungilim. Next drug is Hamycin. It is also called Primamycin. It is polyene antimicrobial substance produced by growth of Streptomyces pimprina. It is a heptine microlide antibiotic, and it is a mixture of component of A, B, C, and D. Physical property: it is yellow to orange colored powder with faint odor, and it is tasteless. It is practically insoluble in water and chloroform but soluble in pyridine, and it is amphoteric in nature. Chemical property: when it is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid solution, a stable blue color is produced. Storage and stability condition: it is affected by light and air, so it should be stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses: it has antifungal agent and anti-trichomonal activity, and it is used topically and orally in various fungal infections. Pharmaceutical formulation: first, Hyoscine ointment and Hyoscine vaginal tablet. Brand names are Imprena. Thank you so much for watching this video.